to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. Me and Alex will be showing you guys our house decor, our fall house decor. So as you guys know, his mom does help us decorate the whole house. She literally does the whole decor for us. She just asks me like what kind of like mood I'm trying to go for or how I'm trying to go for the house. She'll just send me like pictures and stuff, and then I tell her like if I like it or if I don't. But for the most part, literally everything she did put together, and then I kind of like approve it, not approve it, even though for the most part 9 out of 10 things once she sets it up, once I see it, I like it. But if there's something that I don't like, then I change it. So a little background on that. So I do not decorate my house. Before we bought a house, I always wanted, like I always knew I wanted to eventually, of course, move out of my parents and live in a house. And I always wanted for my house to be decorated like for every season, like for the fall, for the Christmas, for Valentine's, you know, for kind of like every holiday. But I do not have the creativity for it, and I do not have the patience for it. I feel like you need a lot of patience, and you really have to have like a passion when it comes to home decor to actually do it. So thank God that Alex's mom is super into home decor. She loves doing this. She's been like so excited to decorate for us. I mean, it's what, the beginning of September. Fun fact, Alex just told me that his mom told him that the very first day of fall is September 20th. So we are on September 6th, and she already has the fall vibes going on for us. So she always tells me that she does decorate her house because she decorates by season as well. She always decorates her house like a week or 2 weeks before the season actually starts, just para que le dure la decoración, and like to make use out of the decoration. So it's not up for like 2 weeks and then she takes it down and stuff, because she does go all out on her house as well. So yeah, thankfully Alex's mom is really into decor, and she's like always so excited to decorate our house, because I've always wanted, like I told you guys, to have house decor for every season. But honestly, if it was up to me, we would have the exact same house all year long, because I just don't have the head for it. And I love how she likes to go all out, because that's, like I told you guys, what I wanted. So I will be showing you guys our house today. I also wanted to like decorate like the restrooms, the rooms, and all of that, but honestly nobody ever goes into a room. So we did do our whole living space, our whole living area, which you guys are about to see. I am so in love with our house. It is super cozy. It is still really hot outside. We are in Texas, so it is so freaking hot still. But I feel like once entering October, that it starts getting like cool and stuff. Our house already smells like pumpkins. It's like a little pumpkin patch in here. I keep looking this way because here is our table that you guys will get to see close up right now. But we walk out of the bedroom and I feel like it's Thanksgiving every time we walk out, because there's just so many pumpkins in here. But yeah, that was like a little background as far as our house decor. Definitely wanted to give his mom credit for it, since she does do it all for us. And then after fall, she does put all of this away, and then she will be decorating for us for Christmas. And then after Christmas, she is going to do Valentine's. And then after Valentine's, we will be back to like our regular house, aka no holiday going house. Every time I would go over to Alex's house prior to having our house, I liked going in there like during the seasons, just because I know she goes all out. So I always like to be like a Pepa and like see what she put out. Her house, she decorates it super cute too. It is a way different feel, our house to her house. She goes more like for a señora vibe, and she has like a farmhouse theme and stuff. But her decor is always really cute. If you guys have me on Snapchat, I'll ask her if it's okay for me to like post how she decorates her house, because it's also super cute. Of course, our house, we will be showing you guys detail by detail. So if you guys have me on Snapchat, I'll try and get like a little sneak peek of how she decorates her house. Even though I personally am not into decor or like putting things together, or I don't have the brain for it, I love I love seeing decor, even though I don't like doing it. But I love like going into houses where I decorated. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and our little house mini tour we are about to give you guys. Okay, so this is the front of our house. We are standing right in front of our door. So you walk in, if you guys have seen our house tour, you know how our house goes. So for the foyer, we ordered these off Amazon, the trees, and I love how you walk in and right away you get like the fall vibes. So it has some lights, and then aquí abajo it's some pumpkins, and then some hay squares that we also got at Hobby Lobby. And we added this so it could cover the bottom of the tree. We were like quebrándonos la cabeza trying to figure out how to cover the bottom of the tree, because it's just like a neck shape. So we added some little of the hay squares and the pumpkins. Well, his mom did. And then over here she put this basket that also has some pumpkins, some leaves to cover the cords of the trees para que no se viera. So you literally just see that, and then behind there is like all the cables to the tree. To this side, the exact same thing, another tree, also from Amazon, like I told you guys. More pumpkins, and then those little hay stacks. I keep calling them hay squares, but yeah, the hay stacks. And then right here, the only thing that she left the same was the picture of me, Alex, baby G. She added some flowers, also from Hobby Lobby. This little thing that says "Hello Fall." and some light up candles. So here is where I had my Starbucks, no not Starbucks, my Starbucks candy, and she changed it out for this orange fall candy. Kit Kat, pumpkin Kit Kats, and all of this is just like festive candy. So my Starbucks and my lollipops had to go. We added in the fall candy, and I love how the foyer came out, especially because it's in the entrance. So as soon as you walk in, you get the whole fall vibes going on. And then this right here is me. So you walk from the foyer, and on this side I had told her that I wanted something here. So normally we don't have anything here, but I felt like it looked too empty, so she put together this little cute pumpkin patch thing. It reminds me literally like of a pumpkin patch. We have a little scarecrow that has no name. If you guys have a name for him, please comment down below, because right now he is nameless and he will be with us for like a month or two. These haystacks are the same as those. They're just large, and then the other ones were medium. She put some little pumpkins here, some leaves, the little scarecrow that has no name yet. And I love it because now it doesn't look too empty right there. So this is it for this little corner. So from the foyer and the little scarecrow, we come to our table, which is probably my favorite part of the house. So she added this little runner on the table that says gift thanks with the pumpkins, and then this whole setup, she did put it together. So this we already had, we just replaced the candles with some orange ones. And then this whole thing, she put it together. She bought some leaves, and then she bought these little pumpkins that you actually like stick in. So she just made it like really full all around the table, which I love it. I'm getting like Thanksgiving dinner vibes. Hopefully we don't know where we will be spending Thanksgiving this year, but with this table, doesn't it want to make you like half
some turkey, some mashed potatoes, some cornbread, some mac and cheese.
Yeah, those are the vibes I am getting from the table. So
some ham.
A slow view of the table, probably my favorite part of the house. Hello, Mr. Scarecrow. And then from this part, we move to, we move to this side, which is our island.
My mom got mad yesterday because I was eating these cookies. She was like, you're not supposed to be eating those cookies, they're for decoration.
Yeah, the heck?
Like, eat the ones from inside.
Spit them out, just kidding. So this is our island. We kept the little plastic jars, but we just replaced what was inside. So she added the little pumpkin. This one, she filled it up with some orange brownies. And then on this one, if you guys have me on Snapchat, you saw me put this together. We bought these seasoned Oreos, which have the orange in the middle just to match the decor. And then this in the middle, she also put together. These are little tiny pumpkins with little pine cones. A little pumpkin right here where you guys can see it. So just something super fallish. She made me get rid of my hot Cheetos. She said hot Cheetos were a hot girl summer snack, so I had to let the hot Cheetos go. We replaced it with some little orange brownies, and then like I said, the pumpkins abajo. And these Oreos, we couldn't find them. We were able to find them at Target. We looked at Walmart. Walmart didn't have them. So yeah, we got these Oreos at Target. And then this jar, I got it at home. So the jar is from at home, and then the cookies are from Target if you guys want to put like a cute little festive jar together for your table. So this is the island. And then moving on to the kitchen, we have a little pumpkin towel on the stove, and then our sink mat was replaced to this one, which says harvest blessings with a pumpkin. Then we replaced the plain white plate with this one that says blessed, hello pumpkin, and then she added a little candle here. Guys, we've had this candle since the apartment, so it is less than halfway, but I love how it smells, and it is a fall one, so she just put it right there. And then a little coffee station. You guys know I do not drink coffee, but I do love hot chocolate, so I will be using this especially around this season. This little letrerito, pumpkin spice everything, and then this one's pumpkin spice and everything nice. These are from Hobby Lobby, and then she said she found this at Ross, and she bought some little
Ain't nobody gonna eat that shit, whatever, dude.
Pumpkin, some little pumpkin candy that are so freaking cute. What did you just say?
That shit don't look appealing though. Like,
yes, it looks cute.
It looks aesthetically pleasing, but it looks like
the candy. Does it look
corn.
good? Taste it.
No, alright.
For the vlog. Fun fact, I have not tasted it. Neither has Alex. Smells like ass?
No, it doesn't smell like anything, but like this, it's just
que
like
lo
that
pruebe, que lo pruebe. I feel like it tastes like candy corn, does it? Which I don't like. No? Que bueno que no te gustaron, so it can stay full the whole freaking fall. Just kidding. But yeah, from Ross, and the candy is also, I'm not too sure, but this is from Ross. And then over here, she took out the sugar from here, and then she added some leaves with like a little pumpkin daisy in the back. So this is our coffee station. So cute. So on top of the sink, we only have that thing that said give this our daily bread. And she added this basket with the pumpkins, some leaves, some more pumpkins, and then the black lantern on the right. So all of that she did put together. And then right on top of the coffee table, she added a little letrerito that says give thanks with a grateful heart. And then next to it also a lantern, so it looks super cute. So that was for our kitchen, and then now on to our living room. These pillows are all from Hobby Lobby. So some pumpkin pillows right here. I love this one. It's like bedazzled from this part right here. And then over here, these are, if you guys watch my live, these are the green pillows that I was waiting for from Amazon, some pumpkin ones. So these are just my black pillows. I go into Amazon and then we bought the pillow covers. And then over here, some more pumpkin pillows. So this is our couch. So for our coffee table, Alex just got me these 2 weeks ago, so I put them down there. They kind of don't match the decor, but they're so freaking beautiful. I didn't want to like go hide them in my room, so I did put them aquí abajo. And then over here she put this together, which is a little pumpkin with some leaves, a scented candle, a picture of me and Alex. This was empty, but she added some orange flowers with like some piquito in the front and kind of just made it like a little macetita. And then on this side, she also added a little basket with our blankets. I feel like that looks super like cozy vibes, fall vibes. So just a little basket with my white blanket, and then this blanket has little leaves for the fall, and then she just hangs that on there. So this is our main L-shaped couch, and then on this side we have this couch. She threw this little pillow on there that says thankful, and then we bought a third tree and put it behind this couch, so it also looks really fall vibes. Now for the shelves, she just added some little things to bring back the fall vibes. So cuddle weather. For some reason, Alex thinks that is so freaking funny. Some pumpkins, more leaves, this little letrero that says thankful and blessed. And then on this side of the shelf, just some more little things that she bought at Hobby Lobby that she found that were cute and fall. Says gather some more pumpkins, and then for the top, it's just a green little plant, and then she added some, what do you call this? A garland?
Garland. I think.
Yeah, garland, and then those are just pumpkins that she also put on there, threw on there some green, some orange, some red. Super cute all across the top, and then on this side the same as the other side. So a little overview of the shelves. I feel like on camera everything looks so like far away, but in person obviously it is not. So this is our living room. So that was it for our fall decor. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and click on the little bell right next to it so you can notified every single time that I post. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.